I was working for somebody else, and I've always wanted to own my own company. A broker reached out to me. He recommended a few different franchises, and one of them was Citywide. My one concern is I don't know if my wife would be comfortable investing all of our money into a new company.
I actually said, this is the perfect fit. There really wasn't a second thought in my mind about going with Citywide. Ron used to work 7 days a week for someone else's business. If we're gonna work 7 days a week, I'd rather it be for us to be successful.
When people hear Citywide Facility Solutions, many people have different perspectives. Really what we are is we are a management company. We help manage services for businesses, and it can be anywhere from janitorial services to window washing or pressure washing to 20 other different services that we will help them facilitate and manage. We have a network with different subcontractors, and we give them the opportunities to service the accounts, and when they do a good job, we continue using them and then we're growing them. And that's one of the great things about Citywide is that they encourage us to help others in the community.
With the ripple effect, we're impacting other people, our customers, our employees. I think it brings me a sense of purpose of why I'm even here. It gives me a reason to work harder because I love to be able to help other people.
It's very important that you have alignment with the core values of what you're going into, because if you're not in alignment, it's not going to go well. The nice thing is that there's now flexibility in our schedule, and as we're starting to get larger, we're adding team members, and that's giving us more and more time available for ourselves and for our family. We get to see each other during the day, but we also get to do the job together. It will be a lot of work in the beginning. And I think that's going to be true of almost any franchise model. Citywide, though, is unique that it has so much recurring revenue. If you work hard and do well, you're going to continue just growing your revenue and growing your business consistently every single year.